everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm not actually wearing a blanket right now, it's like a poncho. Anyway, happy YouTober day 13. I have a recipe for you guys for Carrot Cake Protein Muffins made using Kodiak cake pancake mix.
Wasn't in it, it wasn't right, but you're still way on my mind, and I'm making it a habit, reaching out to you, acting like a fool. Oh, wish I could undo everything I did, 'cause I'm reliving it. You keep moving forward, and I keep on looping, telling you we're over, but what was I doing?
That is all I have for you guys today. Subscribe if you aren't already so you don't miss another video in YouTober, and be sure to follow me on Instagram at CAKES, and tag me if you happen to try these muffins. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Keep on looping.